how to make a group chat on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a group chat on TikTok in 2025. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the inbox icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the inbox section, just tap on the friends icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you'll see the list of all your TikTok friends. So here, simply select two or more people that you want to include in your group chat. And here, once you have selected everyone, you simply have to tap on create button. And here you can give your group a name. You can just tap on the three dot in the top right corner, and then you can change. You can add peoples, you can leave the group, you can mute group. Basically, you can manage the group right from here. And that's it. That's how you can create a group chat on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.